on, we will study how to find or determine the percentage of a given number. But before that, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow me. Let us begin. Makikita nyo sa kaliwa ng screen na inyong pinapanood ngayon ay may naka-flash na 100 squares. Sa 100 squares na yan, 7 small squares are shaded. Now, kung itatanong ko sa inyo, the shaded portion is what percent of the total number of small squares. Kung bibilangin natin ang small squares, yan ay 100 small squares lahat. So, the question is, 7 is what percent of 100, or we just simply write 7 over 100. Kung kumukuha tayo ng test, halimbawa, bibigyan ko kayo ng test. Magte-test tayo 1 to 100. Halimbawa, ang nakuha mo ay 30. Diba inilalagay natin sa test paper, 30 over 100 or 30 out of 100. This means that you got 30 correct items out of 100 items. Or this is equal to 30%. Ngayon, yung naka-flash sa screen nyo, the shaded portion is 7 small squares out of 100. Therefore, the shaded portion is 7% of the total number of small squares. Another example, makikita nyo pa rin naka-flash sa gawing kaliwa ng inyong screen, 100 small squares pa rin. But this time, the shaded portion is 25 small squares. Meaning, the shaded portion is 25 out of 100. And 25 out of 100 is equal to 25%. Now, another one. Magbibigay ulit ako ng isang example. Yan, naka-flash ulit sa inyong screen sa gawing kaliwa. This time, there are 50 shaded portions out of 100 small squares pa rin. So, kung ang shaded portion ay 50, no? Out of 100 small squares, the shaded portion is equal to 50%. Ngayon, ang tanong, paano kung hindi na 100 small squares? Paano kung iba na? Halimbawa, sabihin natin, 36 small squares, ang shaded portion ay 5, 5 out of 36, 5 is what percent of 36? O, yan ang isusunod natin ngayon. Listen carefully at nang maintindihan nyo ang paliwanag natin. Here is another example on how to find or determine the percentage in a given problem. Katulad nung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, this time, hindi na siya nakabase sa 100. Let us read the problem. Number 1, Janine's score in the test is 30 out of 50. No? O 30 out of 50. There are 50 items. Janine got 30. So, isusulat natin yan, 30 over 50 or 30 out of 50. Ngayon, ang basis natin, kung percentage ang pinag-uusapan natin ay 100. O, this is equal to, no? N out of 100. Yung N, yun yung hinahanap natin na percentage. O ngayon, alam na natin kapag ganito ang equation natin. This is a ratio and proportion. We can solve N by the cross multiplication process. Unahin natin yung unknown na N. 50 times N is equal to 50n. O, this is equal to 30 times 100 is equal to 3,000. Ngayon, 50n is equal to 3,000. Tanungin natin ang sarili natin. Ano ba ang kasama nung n na nawawala? Yung n ang missing natin, no? Ang kasama niya ay 50. Kaya para mawala yung 50 at matira yung n, divide natin siya ng 50. Ganun din yung 3,000, no? O cancel na ang 50. Ang natira dito ay n. n is equal to 3,000 divide by 50. When you divide 3,000 by 50, the answer is 60. Therefore, Janine's score in the test is 60% out of 50 items. O, medyo pangit lang yung sulat ko ng sign of percent. Ano? Actually, this is the symbol for percent. O pwede rin this one. No? Here is another example. Michael was already able to plant 20 out of the 40 trees. So, 20 out of 40 trees is equal to 20 over 40 or 20 out of 40 is equal to, o yung hinahanap natin na percent, n over 100. No? Again, cross multiplication. 40 times n is equal to 40n is equal to 100 times 20 is 2,000. Again, ano ang kasama ng n? 40. Divide this by 40 and 2,000 by 40. Cancel ang 40. Natira ang n. This is now equal to n is equal to 2,000 over 40. The answer is 50. Therefore, 20 trees out of 40 is 50%. O, tingnan nyo lang dito, ano? 20 ang kaya niyang itanim. 4 na po yung trees. O, pagpalagay natin na itanim yung 20. 4 na po yung puno. Di ba kalahati? Nung 40 ay 20. Therefore, 50%. Yan. Palagay ko malinaw na how to find or determine the percent of a given number in a problem. Muli po, maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!